So tomorrow, a big travel day for
Yes.
everyone. And
Great.
No problem.
At least throughout New Mexico, Arizona. You get up into Colorado, it could be a little shaky as you head around Denver because they get a little bit of snow, but I think they're going to be okay as well. But I'd like to start tonight, you guys, as I usually do. You know, I defend sometimes the indefensible. I would like to just encourage you to cook Brussels sprouts this Thursday. I think they are delicious. Oven roasted.
I'm with you.
Yeah, you see what I'm saying? They got a bad rap. Now, I don't know what's going on with this one. She knows what she's doing. She's got a good looking turkey here.
Yeah.
All right, and
Okay.
she's just saying, these are delicious. I think that's what she's saying. That's my guess at this point. She's saying, here's all you do. You just get all set to go. You get 1.5 pounds of Brussels sprouts. She goes through the whole thing. Basically, pretty much easy to do. So a little salt and pepper here and there. I'll cut all the business out here. You get a little rind of the lemon, I guess you throw on there.
Okay.
Whatever that's all about.
Delicious.
A little
Yeah,
zest. That's
yeah, a little
lemon
zest. That's called the
Yeah.
zest.
Yeah.
But it is also the rind, is it not?
Sure.
Okay, and then you just throw it in the oven.
I have
you
no
just
idea.
basically burn them, and then they're delicious. So I just want to encourage you guys. A lot of people kind of say, "Oh, I hate Brussels sprouts." They are delicious. Okay.
I'm with you on this.
You're sticking up for
I
the,
support it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Dean.
The little guy, I
hear
like
you,
it.
I don't
Dean's
hear you
not liking
supporting
it.
this, Dean.
You know, I'm open to new things more.
You don't like them, do
You know that.
No, you don't.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I knew it.
We'll give it a
All right.
shot.
Jess, we're bringing over a big old pan of Brussels sprouts to Dean's. All right, 38 degrees right now in the metro. North-northwest winds at 8 miles an hour. Things are relatively quiet out there. 20s and 30s for the north. Down to the south, temperatures 30s and 40s. Looking at satellite and radar, not much here across most of New Mexico, but we are seeing some snow and a cold front across Colorado at this point, and they're seeing most of the action here. And in fact, it snowed for a good portion of the day today in the mountains well to our north over Colorado. So let's talk a little bit about that, because this is the kind of setup. It's a little rough for New Mexico. We get a pretty good northwest flow with some moisture to it, and as it rolls through Colorado and sort of the rooftop of the country, it ends up squeezing out some pretty good snowfall numbers. Look at these numbers over the past 24 to 48 hours in the mountains of Colorado. More than a foot in places like Breckenridge and Steamboat. Out around Monarch, they get 10 inches. Telluride, a foot. Well, the problem is this flow, as it comes farther to the south, runs out of juice, so we end up with gusty winds. We end up with an occasional snow shower or two, maybe, for our mountains. But we look at Colorado getting all this snow, and we end up with not much. So what do we need in a scenario like this to help us out? Well, we could use either a stronger storm to come down and through, which is exactly what happened late Saturday into Sunday, or we need a big-time storm to drop in our direction here and slide through the state. That looks possible at the beginning of next week. So overall, this pattern isn't a great one for us. Now, as far as what we're going to see over the next 24 hours, ridge of high pressure is going to build to our west. That's going to mean a lot of sunshine and warming temperatures. In fact, we're going to end up in the low 60s throughout the day on Thursday and into Friday as well. So very nice stuff across the board here. And we're also looking at a significant warm up. In fact, we're going to see our temperatures rise from today to Friday. 15 degrees or so, Gallup and Farmington. They're going to rise 8 degrees in Silver City. Here in central sections of the state, we're going to see a nice temperature rise by about 10 to 15 degrees in Albuquerque, Santa Fe, and Las Cruces, and over across the east side of the state. As you push that air down, you heat it and dry it across eastern New Mexico, and that's going to lead to a significant warm up here as well. In fact, those temperatures are going to end up tacking on 20+ degrees in some areas of the east. So this is a really nice setup here across the board. Quickly, we're going to go through your regions because there's a lot of sunshine and no major storms headed in our direction until Tuesday. So look at those temps continue to rise into the 60s across the northwest. Southwest looks good too. A lot of sunshine for tomorrow. No major league wind issues. Meanwhile, over to the southeast looks good here too, with temperatures in the 50s and 60s. Up to the northeast, we're going to hang with those temps in the 50s and 60s over the next couple of days. By the way, Las Vegas almost 70 by Friday. Angel Fire 44, 45 in Chama, and a cool start in Los Alamos, but a nice afternoon. East Mountains look good too. We could see northwest winds as high as 20 miles an hour, and overall looking good. Heights, Foothills, Rio Rancho, all looking at temperatures in the 50s tomorrow. Extended forecast. Well, if you're looking for rain or snow, watch Tuesday of next week.
All right. Sounds good, Mark. Thank you.